Hi guys, and happy Earth Day week. We're going to be doing something a little bit different this week. Instead of our normal assignments, we're going to be giving you guys a project that has to do with Earth Day. It's going to be a choice board project, and I'm going to go over it with you now. So this can be found in your classwork tab of Google Classroom. It'll be called Earth Day Choice Board Project. Click on that, and you'll get to this presentation. It's a Google Slides. Your directions are right here. So you're going to be completing 4 items off of this choice board, which I'll show you in a second. When you complete an item, you're going to be moving a red X on top of it so that I know that's the one that you chose. And if you need any help, my email's here, and then also you can call or text me at any time. This is going to be where these video instructions that I'm shooting right now are going to be. And here's your choice board. So you have 9 options. You're going to be completing 4 of them. And for all of these options, you're going to be turning them in right here on this presentation. So everything's going to be all in one place. So I'm going to go over each of these one by one so you know what you're doing. You don't need to watch the whole rest of the video. If you want to just fast forward to find the projects that you pick, that's fine. So when you decide what you pick and you finish it, you're going to drag this red X over on top of it so that I know that you have chosen that project, and that's what I should find to grade for you. All right, so this first one right here is called What's Your Footprint? You're going to be taking a quiz that's going to show you what your carbon footprint is, which is your overall kind of impact on the environment. So if you click on this link, it'll take you to that quiz, and you'll go through and take the quiz, and it'll give you your results. Once you get your results, you're going to go to this slide, and you're going to insert either a photo or a screenshot of your results right in this box right here. This next one is called How Do You Do? So this is a 10-question survey that's going to ask you about some things that you can do on a day-to-day basis to help the Earth, and we'll see how well you do on that. So if you click on this, it'll take you right to it. And you'll drag these red X's for your answers. So the first question, do you turn off the lights every time you leave a room? Let's say, yeah, you always do that. So you drag it over here into the always, and you'd fill that out and then answer these questions below. This next one, which is behind the red X that I can't move right now, is called Write a Letter. So this one is going to be write a letter to the principal on this slide, stating 3 ways that we can change our habits at school to help our environment. So if you click on this, it'll take you right to that. So write a letter to our principal stating at least 3 ways we can make changes to our school to help our Earth. Don't worry, I won't actually be sending these. And then you'll type right in here your letter. This next one is called Team Meme. So this one is going to be creating some memes. If you choose this one, you're going to create 2 different memes that are about something Earth related. You're just going to be, again, attaching a picture or file of your memes into this slide right here. So you'll take a screenshot or you'll save it and you'll put them on this slide here. This one is about COVID-19 and how it's affecting our environment. So you'll be watching a video. This will take you to the video right there. And then you're going to be answering some questions on this slide. So after you watch that video, you'll answer these questions. This one is for my more artsy students, which I have so many of you, and I really hope to see some good art for this one. This is an Earth Day drawing. So this is going to be draw a picture of the Earth and list all the beautiful things about it. Take a picture and put it here. So first off, your drawing doesn't have to just be a pencil and paper drawing. You can do clay, you can use sidewalk chalk, you can paint it. Be creative. You can use Legos. You can do anything you want, just any kind of artistic representation of the Earth and what about it you find beautiful. When you're done, you're going to take a picture of it and insert it into this slide. This next one, called STEM Session, is going to be a repurposing project. So I want you guys to repurpose something in your house and give it a new life. So if you click here, it'll take you to some more instructions. So I included a link that's going to go over some repurposing ideas just to get your brains thinking about this one. And then when you're done, you're going to take a picture of it and you're going to insert it below here. This next one's called TikTok time. So for this one, I want you guys to create a TikTok Earth Day video. If you don't have TikTok, you could just do a normal video, that's fine. But I know you guys love your TikTok, so I thought this would be a fun option for you guys. When you finish your video, you're going to attach it into this slide right here. And your last option down here is family plan. So come up with a plan of 3 ways that you and your family can be better at helping our Earth. You're going to go to this slide and it'll give you a place to type your plan in. So right here, you're going to say what you're going to be working on and how you're going to be fixing it. So for example, if you guys are always forgetting to leave the lights on when you leave forgetting to turn the lights off when you leave a room. I know I do that. You could say we need to work on turning the lights off when we leave a room, and we are going to fix it by maybe putting a little sticky note next to your light switch saying remember to turn off when you leave the room. That's just an example. You can do anything. The possibilities are endless here. So once you're done, what it should look like is you should have 4 of these crossed out with a red X so I know what I'm looking for. And then all 4 of your projects will be attached in one of these slides. So when you're turning this into me, there's no separate files or anything. It's just going to be these slides. So when you're done with the slides, you go out of them and that's all you have to do. I already have access to them. You don't need to share them with me. You don't need to do anything like that. Since I'm assigning them, as you work on them and put your projects in here, I can see them. So once you put them in here, that's all you need to do. I have your project. Again, if you have any issues, technical issues, you're confused, you have questions, you want some help, email me, call me, text me, whichever way you find most convenient. And I'm really, really excited to see what you guys come up with. You guys always do an awesome job when we do these choice boards. I'm still in awe over some of your rock cycle projects. So I'm really excited to see what you do with this. And I hope you enjoy something a little bit different because I know there's been a lot of computer work. So this is going to open it up a little bit. If you need any help, reach out to me. Otherwise, I'll miss you guys. Happy Earth Day week. Bye.